Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word. I think.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, we finna do some real simple. We finna go ahead and do y'all a little quick video just cause I need to get something done, and maybe y'all need to learn how to do this too. So y'all finna rock with me with this one. We finna go ahead and turn up, and I'm finna make this real quick, easy for y'all. We finna go ahead and change the rear brakes on this 2006 Dodge Charger. Nothing too simple, nothing too hard. We already did this 100 times, so I'm finna go ahead and put y'all on time lapse, and I'm finna go ahead and show y'all how easy it is to do this. We finna take the wheel off, take the, I think, 213s off the caliper. We finna take the seat clamp, close the piston back into the caliper, and then guess what? We gonna put the new brake pads on. We gonna put the 213s back on, and just that quick, I just went ahead and told y'all I already knew we finna do, no cap. So we finna go ahead and do this, and let me know what y'all want to see next, cause this finna be real quick. Alright, y'all, so y'all just seen me change the first brake. As y'all see, I got the new meats on there, and we already got that done in 15 minutes. So this the quickest brake change y'all ever go see. So I'm finna go ahead and do the other side, but I'm going to a little bit more detail. I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all how easy it is. And excuse me. It was my fault. It ain't a 13 that holds the caliper on. It's a 15, which is right there. Then you gonna have the little slide pin that's gonna spin as you're trying to take it out. And just use an 18 wrench just to hold that. And just that quick. We already done with these brakes. So we already did the front brakes a couple months ago. The rear brakes is now done. And I'm gonna go into a little bit more in depth on this side just to show y'all just step by step what to do, you know. Y'all just seen it took 15 minutes, so I ain't finna show y'all taking this part off again. So I'm just finna show y'all with everything that I did, and that's gonna be it for this video, and that'll be it. So let me go ahead and show, take the other side apart in 1, 2, boom. All right, so like I said, we already got everything took apart, and oh, I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. I knew I wasn't tripping. But it's cool though. The back nut fell off too. We gonna fix this. And now that we see what happened, I don't know, this might have happened during that Texas trip. I don't know. But I mean it's still in there, so yeah. I think this was the one that was squeaking the worst. So then as you see, you can already see this damn near wore down the slice right there. So what we finna go ahead and do is, like I said, this right here is a 15. Go right there on the back of this. Then once you go ahead and break this loose real quick. And boom, once you break it loose, you'll notice that this starts spinning right there. And the way to fix that, see, it's gonna get to spinning. And the way to fix that is you take your 18 right here, take that about right there. Normally I use both hands, but let's see if I can do it like this. Yep. Then boom. Should be able to come out by hand. Alright, bet. Then you just do that to the bottom side also. Oh. So we'll use that. Yeah, this one coming out by hand. I done took this side off so many times. I wouldn't be surprised. Then simple. Pull out the brake roller. The brake caliper. Sit it up. You want to take the old pass out. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. Like it's scratching. But it won't spin, so we're gonna take the new brake pads right here. Normally you'll put some on the outside of these, but I plan on doing something else, right, where I might have to take these back out. So boom, you just go ahead and slide it through the grooves on that side. Take the other one, same thing. Make sure this part that curve on the end the widest side, make sure that's the one that's closest to the outside. Make sure you don't put them on wrong. Make sure they sit flat. And then what you do to push this piston back in is, it's not one of those that you spin back in. So all you have to do is put this right here, take the C-clip like this, and then you just roll it in. So I'm finna sit y'all up real quick so y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see that. You just do it real, you ain't even really gotta do it slowly. Just go ahead and push it in. I'll say go slow so you don't mess up, like, it's like rubber bushes inside of here and you don't want it to leak, so you just take it slow a little bit. Go ahead, push the caliper out. I just go ahead and push it all the way in. Most of the time it don't have to be all the way in to go with brake pads, but just to feel like you're doing a new brake job, I go ahead and push it all the way in. Dang, I don't even know if y'all seen that, but yeah, as you push it in, sometimes it'll go like this, and that'll just go back in once you hit the brake a few times. But you wanna make sure you grab these right there, and then it just slide right on. You take so boom, right there, you slide back on. You take your 215 nuts, find the hole again, right there, and then you'll know you win once this start turning a little bit. Once that start turning a little bit, you know you got it on there, but it still feel like it's twisting there. So there you go that way. You take the other one, go from the bottom. Make sure you don't do it tight. So boom, the second one. To this end, spinning that. Try to get it as far as I can by hand. Alright, that look like as far as that one gonna go. Then basically you just well, it's already in, but you basically just reverse everything. You take this right here, across this way, then you're gonna tighten it up. But I need both hands. But yeah, use both hands, tighten this up. Let me see if I can. Maybe it ain't all the way. Yeah, it just ain't in there far enough. It still keeps spinning. Let's see now. It was the wrong way, but you know, see, just go ahead. I just go ahead. I don't do foot pounds. You just make it tight. Then same goes for the bottom, and then after that, you just put the wheel back on. You take it driving for a little bit, but by the time y'all see me doing that, I'm probably gonna have on different clothes, but I'm just gonna show y'all that. But that's pretty much all it is to change your brake pads for the rear. 215s, hold it with this 18, you take it out, you take your old brake pad, and you use this and the C-clamp to push your piston back into your caliper. And then once you push that back in, you put your new pads in. Sometimes you'll put a little grease on the outside of this. Don't know if it works, but I ain't just never used it before. I just feel like they make you spend more money on that. Anyways, you go ahead and put that back on, tighten everything back up, put the wheel back on, make sure you tighten all your wheels back up, take it driving, and that's it. No cap, that's all it is to change your rear brakes on a Dodge Charger. So that might save you $300-400 from having somebody else do it. All right, y'all, so we done put the brakes on and we driving the car. Like I said, after you put them on, you want to drive it around, make sure the brakes get to, you know, settle in with the rotors in case you ain't getting no new rotors. You know, you just want to drive it around, make sure that they mesh together well. So I've been driving around, but as y'all see, we hitting the brakes. We don't got no more, let me so y'all can see me right. We don't got no more brake noises when we stop, so we don't sound like a car going up a roller coaster. That's the one thing I was starting to get mad about. It's like in the brake, you don't hear nothing, everything sounds groovy. We back sounding like you know what I'm saying? We back sounding like something. We don't sound raggedy no more. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next on Game.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Bitch, just on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now. See me